In southern Africa, pools and rivers offer a lifeline to some of Africa's biggest beasts. But in the driest months, giants go head-to-head in one of the most bruising battles in the natural world. The hippopotamus. Weighing up to 3 tons, it's one of the heaviest creatures on land. Their barrel-shaped bodies and short legs evolved to support that great mass. Hippos quickly overheat. To cool off, they need a place to submerge. The ideal wallowing spot is where it's just deep enough for them to touch the ground. But these spots are much sought after. This big bull has claimed prize position for himself and his harem of females. The advances of a rival male are met with aggression. Yawning is a direct threat. Those canines can grow up to 50 centimeters long. But undeterred, the young buck tries his luck. Battles can last for up to 10 minutes. A winning blow from the big bull settles the dispute. In the hippo's world, bigger really is better.